especially in a multiple offer situation, when you have 5, 6, 7 offers, the fact that your offer is clear, precise, you have it broken down, that your agent calls the seller agent, communicates your offer to them, reassures them you are the best person to buy, we're the ones that are gonna get to close. It's our responsibility to sell the agent that we're the best choice. That's a real thing that I think a lot of agents miss. I have an unbelievable email breakdown for how I present my offers. I have received offers where someone just put it in the attachment, sent it over, and just said, here's an offer, with no breakdown, no explanation, no phone call, no text, and it came through my email. I'm like, what is this? But I have an email template. If you're interested, put it in the comments, present the offer template, and put your email, and I'll send it to you how I format and how I present my offers. Because of the way I present my offers, I've had conventional offers be accepted over cash for the same price. I've had multiple offers where the agent told me, yours was just so clear, so well presented, that it made my sellers feel more confident. They knew exactly what was in the offer, exactly what was at stake, and that's what I'm talking about when I say present the offer. It's a very crucial part, it's overlooked, and it's important you know about this. Did you know when you're in multiple offers, you gotta call the agent. You've gotta find out as much information as you can.